In this tutorial, we will see that how you can remove WhatsApp bottom navigation bar in just few steps. So let's dive in. So there are 3 steps to remove this WhatsApp bottom navigation. So for the first step, you have to open your WhatsApp and then click on these 3 dots on the right top side. Open this settings and here open chats. Scroll down and you'll find here this chat backup. Open it. So in the first step, we have to save our chats by backup. Click on this Google account. After selecting your Google account, open this frequency and select it only when I tap backup, and then simply click on this backup. It will start backing up your messages. So you have to wait a little bit and our first step is done. Now in the second step, we have to open Play Store and click on this profile picture. Then open this settings and here you'll find this network preferences. Open it. Open this auto update apps and check this don't auto update apps and okay. So we have done 2 steps. In the first step, we have done chat backup, and in the second step, we turned off auto updating apps. So to remove this bottom navigation, in the third step, we have to download the previous version of WhatsApp from Google. Simply open Google and search for WhatsApp previous versions. Then you'll find some of websites. You can open anyone and then you have to download the older version of WhatsApp to remove this bottom navigation. And you need to make sure the WhatsApp you will download should be the older than this version of 2.24. So the version you will download can be 2.23, 2.22 or 2.21, where you will get the previous version or the previous interface of the WhatsApp. So these were the 3 steps to remove WhatsApp bottom navigation bar in just few steps.